All right, let's talk about the CISSP, that beast of an exam. We're going to break down a proven 30-day plan to help you conquer it. This isn't just random advice. It's a roadmap, built from what the experts say works, designed to take you from totally overwhelmed to officially certified. So, have you ever looked at all the CISSP study material and just felt completely overwhelmed? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. It's a huge exam, and it's meant to be tough. But that feeling, that's what we're here to fix. Look, the secret here isn't about pulling more all-nighters. It's about studying smarter. You need a real step-by-step process, a plan that takes all that stress and turns it into confidence. And that is precisely what I'm going to walk you through. Okay, so here's the game plan. We've got the 30-day schedule broken down into 3 phases. First, building your knowledge. Second, hitting those practice questions. And third, the final stretch. And we'll finish with the most crucial part of all, getting into that winning mindset. All right, let's dive into phase 1, building knowledge. This is all about laying that foundation. And listen, the goal here is super simple, but it is absolutely non-negotiable. You have to get the core concepts down before you even think about touching a practice question. So how do we build this foundation? It's a 3-step process. Step 1, start with videos. People swear by Thor Peterson's stuff or Pete Zerger's cram videos on YouTube. They really help make the dense material click. Step 2, you gotta read the official Cybex book. And step 3, lock it all in with Prob Nair's coffee shots on YouTube. They're great for reinforcing what you just learned. And hey, while we're on the Cybex book, here's a pro tip for you. It doesn't matter if you've got the 9th edition or you're waiting for the 10th. Whatever you do not skip the summaries at the end of each chapter. Seriously, the experts say these are pretty much the blueprint for the actual exam. Okay, once you've got that knowledge base solid, we move on to phase 2, practice questions. This is so important. You can't just read the book and expect to pass. It's not going to happen. You've got to test what you know and, even more importantly, start training your mindset. And this, right here, this is probably the biggest secret to passing the CISSP. It's not just about what you know, it's about how you think. The exam isn't testing if you're a great technician, it's testing if you can be a great security manager. You have to learn to think less like a hands-on fixer and more like a high-level advisor. So what does that even mean, think like a manager? Well, it's about always putting risk, process, and the business's goals first. It's not about the quickest technical fix. It's about picking the smartest, most policy-driven solution for the business. Okay, before you jump into any question banks, you've got some homework. There are a few videos that are considered absolutely mandatory viewing to get your head in the right space. Andrew Romdale's video on how to think like a manager, it's a total game changer. Seriously, watch these first. It will change how you approach everything. All right, for your first set of practice questions, grab the LearnZap mobile app. The goal here is pretty simple. It's to make sure you actually soaked up all that info from the Cybex book. The questions link right back to the topics, so it's perfect for finding out where you're still a bit weak. After that, it's time to level up to bosun. These questions are definitely a step up. The way they're worded, the scenarios they give you, it's a lot closer to the real deal. This is where you really start flexing that manager mindset muscle. And for the final boss of question banks, you have Luke Ahmed. His questions are legendary for one reason. They are designed to hammer that think like a manager idea into your brain until it's just how you operate. This isn't just about practice anymore. This is about mastering the philosophy. Okay, we're heading into the home stretch, phase 3, the final stretch. In the last 2 weeks before your exam, your whole strategy needs to change. You're done learning new stuff. From here on out, it's all about consolidating everything you've already studied. So here's what your last 2 weeks look like. Around day 14, start watching the Destination Certification Mind Maps. Then, about 10 days out, pick up the Memory Palace. As you go through these, start building your final notes. The goal? To boil everything down to a super powerful 2-page summary by the time you're 3 days out from the exam. Why are those Destination Certification videos so important? Because they pull everything together. You've spent weeks learning all these different topics in their own little silos. These mind maps are what finally connect all the dots for you and show you the big picture. Then you've got The Memory Palace by Prashant Mohan. People call it the ultimate cheat sheet, and for good reason. It's a short, sharp summary of everything that matters.
It's the perfect thing to read in that final week to get all the key info fresh in your mind. Which brings us to the thing that holds this whole plan together, the winning mindset. At the end of the day, all the books, all the videos, all the practice questions, they're just tools. It's your approach that's really going to make or break this for you. And this quote just nails it. You absolutely cannot pass this exam by just reading a book. It's impossible. You have to get in there and practice, practice, practice. We're talking hundreds, maybe even thousands of questions. That's where you'll find success. So what's the end game for all this final review and consolidation? It's this number 2. The goal is to take everything, every video, every chapter, every question, and boil it all down to a single 2-page summary. That document is your ultimate weapon for the final days. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
So let's wrap this up. The real question you need to ask yourself isn't just, am I ready for the test? The real question is, am I ready to think like a manager? Because once you've mastered that perspective, that's when you've truly cracked the CISSP.